Hello everybody, I'm back with Get Off with Fluttershy Bridesmaid, the third one I will be reviewing of this kind. So, let's get her. Well, let's take a look at her. I don't think I have Fluttershy yet, so this would be nice to have. Finally, I got Fluttershy. Yep, looks very nice. It's time to celebrate the royal wedding of Cadence and Shining Armor. Yep. Yeah, Fluttershy can't wait to surprise the bride and groom with fresh picked flowers and a special song. She's got a lot of accessories too. So let's get her out of the box. Get my trusty transformer knife, arm. I'm like MacGyver. Okay. I don't really use my transformers anymore anyway, so I don't care if something happens to that crap. Okay. Here we go. I'm hearing noises. And they're not me. Okay, here we go. I got the box open. They also come with one of these, but you know, we already saw those before. The Pinkie Pies. Huh, must have fallen out. Okay, let's get her out of the box. I'll take her out first to get the annoyance of getting all the paper and stuff off of her mane and whatnot. That stupid plastic thing on the hoof was. Actually, that came off pretty easily. Okay, that thing on the tail needs to come off too. Oh, yep. Oh, she's going to be fun to review. Ooh, she's got lots of accessories. Oh my god. Okay, let's start off with the barrettes. Okay, these ones are more like hair clips, but anyway. She's got 3 of these. A pink one. Another pink one. And a blue one. And now she also has present. Nothing inside. Comes with. We do. No, the keys actually. I think they do. It felt like the keys actually pressed down on the keyboard, but just my imagination. No. It shows it on the back of her box that you can put the where'd her box go? Over there. Yeah, you can put the flowers. Put these on top. You got a little picture. That's actually cardboard. You can on a clip, which you can take out. Whatever you want there, I guess. That can sit on top of there. Again, Fluttershy comes with her flowers. And a comb. So this is a nice set too. Like I said, she comes with quite a few stuff. You can actually take the rubber band out, but like I said before, I like keeping that there. Her dress is actually a see-through dress, which I guess ponies don't need to worry about stuff like that. It's actually a two-parter. It's got pink, this pink section here, and it's got like a net over it with silver ties on the side. Also, again, she got a necklace, so she looks pretty nice too. Well, these bridesmaids are pretty sweet looking. Guess I'll put these in the. Only two fit. Well, yeah, to each his own. So, for Bridle Friends, I have Fluttershy with the piano. Then before that was Pinkie Pie with the cake, and Rarity with the mirror. Oh, she's off to the side. Rarity with the mirror. It looks like Rarity's the one that got stuff for herself. You know, a mirror where she can look at herself in. Whereas Pinkie Pie actually brought the cake, and Fluttershy's bringing the music. So I guess all Rarity is pretty self-centered. Right? That about wraps it up for the Bridle Friends edition of Fluttershy. So, I will see you all next time when I review. Let me give you a little preview of what's to come. Fashion Style Luna and Fashion Style Celestia. So, see you all next time. Bye-bye.